Pala tayo. Ay! Oh my! Oh my God, ka Abi, patay ka. Yari ka Abi. Yari ka Abi, yari ka Abi, patay ka na Abi. Patay ka na Abi, pre. Yan, natanggal yung tenga mo. Oh my God, bugbogan. Oh my God, 2v1. Oh no, pre. Oh no, pre. Oh no, pre. Oh no, pre. Oh my God, 3v1, pre. Ayun na. Don't tell me. Wait lang. Don't tell me. Ay, hindi. Buhay pala si Abi sa ano. Buhay pala si Abi. Kala ko. Sasabihin ko sana, don't tell me na hanap ni Ellie si Abi, tas patay na pala si Abi.
Owen! Hey.
Hey. Is everything all right?
Pero di ba, na-raid nga na, nakita nga kung saan nakatago sila Ellie.
Is it about time?
No. No.
Grabe, maso-survive ni Abi to. Oh my God!
So,
Feel ko.
what's up? We got orders?
Wait lang.
Sort of.
Sort of.
Okay, may theory ako. Feel ko, di ba, papunta si Abi doon sa aquarium. Aquarium, pagpunta ni Abi doon sa aquarium, makikita niya si Mel, saka si Owen, patay. Tapos, makikita ni Abi yung map na naiwan ni Ellie doon. That means, makikita ni Abi kung nasaan yung theater.
What? Just, how about we hold off on the Isaac talk?
Oh,
Listen,
eto aquarium to, Dok.
When's the last time you were here? Look around. Take it all in.
That makes sense, right?
Is Alice out here?
She's out with Mel.
Shake, 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 shake. Oh,
You guys doing okay?
ibang aquarium nasa isip ko. Nako, hindi ko alam yan, Dok. Mabait ako.
For the most part, yeah, I mean, she can be really sweet.
Must feel nice after me.
Well, under that badass exterior, you can be pretty sweet too.
You have a bad memory.
Selective memory.
Selective memory.
This feels nice. Well, this looks complicated.
Don't touch that.
Are you doing a science experiment?
Kinda. Making some prime hooch here. If you're nice, I'll give you some.
Lucky me.
Ramdam na ramdam pas ka dito, Owen, ah. Tugtugan mo, ah. Mabait. Oh. Ano to?
What's this?
Oh yeah, Mel and I have this competition thing going. Oh, I don't think you would enjoy it. It's pretty complicated.
I see what you're doing, and it's working. What do I do?
Okay. See those targets?
Yeah.
Ang
Just hit as
magbabaw
many as
ako.
you can before the time's up.
I win? You better write my name up there.
You got it.
Maduga muna. Ako ay isang maduga. Oh my God, kahit nagduduga ako. Lobat na pala yung mouse
That's
ko.
one.
Wait lang,
Proud.
joke lang.
2 down.
And more to go. Good for you. Holy shit. 5. Halfway there, Abs.
Masyadong mataas. Saan pa?
2 to beat me. No pressure. I'm like actually very proud right now. Ow. Isaac would be ashamed.
Asan na?
30 seconds.
Uy, ang duga naman. Hindi ko naman makita eh. Ito. Asan ba yung iba? Ang duga naman. Ito pa pala.
Holy shit. You did it. You got the high score.
I've still got time left, right?
Just 10 seconds left.
Asan pa? Ikaw bobowin ko eh.
5, 4,
Okay na yun. High score na ako.
3,
Damdam Owen.
1.
Anong andoon? Nice comms.
I did it!
Nice comms.
First try.
Andoon.
How you like me now?
Yeah, it's great. You're good at everything.
Shut up and put me up on the wall.
Ayun. Wow, nice
I will.
comms.
Later.
Nice comms talaga, pre. Salamat ha. Sinabi mo pa
Are
kung
you
masan ha.
scared of Mel finding out I was here?
No, she doesn't care.
So put me up on the board, Owen.
All right. Calm down.
Oh, wala naman eh. Ayun. Nag-render.
One last thing I want you to see. Come upstairs.
Is it that boat captain's body? Cause I saw it last time. You didn't put a Santa hat on it, did you?
What? No.
Magic chalk daw yon, magic chalk. Invisible muna.
After you.
What is all this?
Hey! Ano kaya gagawin yung dalawa dyan, no?
You gotta get the full effect.
Ano kaya? Ano kayang ganap dito,
Have
no?
a seat. Take in that view.
Bakit kaya ganito? Ganda ng view ah. Ano kayang gagawin nyo?
Now, try that. Well?
The view is nice.
Oh,
Sus!
whatever. Philistine.
You want me to lie?
Yes, obviously.
Mayabang ako, ganito ako magko-controller.
She's into this Christmas thing, and
Parang masarap mag-anuhan dyan.
it's our 1 year, so
Ano kaya yung anuhan na
I
yun?
think it's adorable.
I think you can go fuck yourself.
No, I wish
Manood
someone
ng
loved me enough
Netflix.
to make me a stocking.
Sige.
You don't deserve one.
What, a stocking? Or someone who loves me?
Manood kayo Netflix, no? Tapos yung sasabihin ng
Why are you in
Netflix,
such a
are you
good
still
mood?
watching
Am I?
Netflix?
You should blow off training tonight. Abby, when the moon comes
I
out.
found Joel's brother. He's at a settlement out in Wyoming.
How do you know that?
The Fireflies who served with him got picked up at the wall.
I thought he quit like a decade ago.
Yeah.
So, have these guys heard from him since?
It's a lead. I gotta see it through.
Okay, but you know that even if he is there, and you do find him, he might not know where Joel is, right? Did you tell the others?
Everyone's on board. Mel included. We can leave next week.
Isaac's never gonna let that many people go off base.
He already did.
Bullshit.
Who's more about justice than Isaac? He knows what Joel's done. Hey. We're doing this together, right?
Of course.
Ano ba itong nakikita ko sa chat? Trapo, paki ano nga muna, paki-emote only muna yung chat. Kasi tingnan mo yung nakikita ko eh, oh. Oh, what is this? Ah, si Abby. Paano kaya na-survive ni Abby to, pre? Sa tingin nyo, paano na-survive ni Abby to? Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Patay na siya dito, oh. Ay, hindi ba ito yung iahang yung leeg tapos bubuksan yung tiyan? Ito yung nakikita natin, di ba? Ito yung nakikita natin sa kay Ellie. Ito yun. Oh my God. Ayan na nga. Kasunod ka na dyan. Sunod ka na dyan, Abby. Sunod ka na dyan, Abby. Oh my God. Paano mo na-survive yan, Abby? Paano? Oh my God.
They are nested with sin. Free them, that they may know my...
Boy, oh my God, ayan na, tinutusok na. Wait lang. May nahuli pa na isa pa.
Yara! Where is the other apostate?
Dinuraan. Tarap.
Clip her wings.
Anong clipper wings? Okay, kaya bubuhayin si Abby. Okay, kaya kasi tinulungan ni Abby. Uy, tulungan niya si Abby, nabibigti na, pre. Oh my God. Tulungan mo na, pre, namamatay na.
Yara.
Pinabayaan si Abby, pre. Pinabayaan si Abby. Pinabayaan si Abby, pre.
Cut her down.
Pinabayaan si
She's
Abby.
one of them. Lev.
Oh my God, namumula na si Abby, pre. Namula na, pre. Oh my God. Okay, tinulungan kasi ni Abby kaya nabuhay siya.
Watch your backs.
That's so cool. So naging kakampi niya yung naging kakampi niya yung Scars. Asan bag ko, pre? barrel, pre. Oh my god. Oh my gulay.
Wolf, come on, we have to move. Where are you going? Out of these woods. We gotta run.
Pre,
Now.
ang dilim, pre.
Coast it this way.
Oh my god, nakakatakot. Ang dilim. Oh my god. Oo, wala. Wala yung bag niya. Ito, brick ko.
Les, they're all around us.
Leb! Ano ba? Tuntukan kami dito, oh.
That was the last of them. You two okay? Yeah. We have to keep moving before more come. Every direction looks the same. You sure you know where you're going? It has to be this way.
Ayoko tumingin sa likod ko. Naririnig ko sobrang dami.
Follow me!
Ay! Sabi ko hindi ako titingin sa likod ko eh. Sabi ko hindi ako titingin eh. Sabi ko hindi ako titingin eh. Bilisan nyo na, bilisan nyo na. Bilis, bilis. Papasukin nyo ako, papasukin nyo ako. Papasukin nyo ako dyan.
Those are fresh. There another way around? If there were, would we be going this way?
Wala bang barel?
Come on, Lev. Get it open. Move.
Umusad kayo. Paano ko may interact yan?
Go. I got you.
Oh no. Ay, ikaw yung umano sa akin nung una. Siya yun, pre.
You! Are you wearing my backpack?
Oh my god, don't tell me. Mapapatay ni Abby to ng suntok lang. Aray ko, pre. Oh my god, Abby.
No!
Grabe si Abby, pre.
Got it. You guys all right? Yes.
Bro. Broski. Broski. Abby, you're insane. Oh my god! Kung about sa survival, mas mabubuhay si Abby eh. Ay hindi kasi may proper training kasi si Abby.
Go on.
Si Ellie naman wala. Okay, ayun yung advantage ni Abby. Si Abby kasi may proper training eh.
Okay.
Kaya
How
ganon.
many supplies you find?
I can't touch this stuff. It's old world.
Are you? You need supplies.
Oo,
Wala
tas
akong
may
gets
gym
yet.
pa sila, di ba?
Pun fucking intended.
What's a pun?
Oh my god.
Never seen scars going after scars before.
Seraphites.
What the hell did you do?
I shaved my head.
Fine, don't tell me. I really don't care.
Oh my god, ano magiging story ni Abby? Hala! Alam niyo, chat, na-curious na din ako sa ano ni Abby. Nung una, ayoko pa siya laruin, di ba? Pinapatay-patay ko pa siya. Pero nakaka-curious din kung anong ganap kay Abby. Kasi tignan mo, natulungan siya at the same time, grabe yung pinagdaanan niya. Ang galing talaga ng upgrade ng barrel. Pinapakita kung anong ginagawa. Ang satisfying. Satisfying sobra. Same reaction tayo, Lay. Napapanganga ako. Laki pa ng katawan, di ba? This is what you call, proper training. Ano nga magagawa nito? Mommy's home. Wait, ano yun? Hindi ko nabasa. Failed truce. Eddie, I hope to God you're okay. The latest truce has fallen apart, and we've been ordered back home for reassignment. I've sent 2 search parties to look for you, to no avail. Please find this note, okay, and come find us. Fuck these cars. Ayaw mo ba ako follow back? Yan! Tampuhan, tampuhan, tampuhan. 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 Siguro laman ng DMs neto ni CJ sa ni Classic ah. Tara, punta tayo stream nila eh. Magsusugal na. Tuwing Saturday. Ayan topic niyan. Sugal na tayo. Sugal, sugal! Wala nga. Syempre wala pang Saturday. Tingnan nyo, pagdating ng Saturday, magtatawagan kayo. Yan nyo. Daming loot, pre. Mambubugbog ba ako? Pre, yung kamay niya, di ba durug-durug yung ano nito? Oh my god, durug-durug yung... Ah! Kadiri! Sakit nun. Durug-durug yung buto niya.
We're almost to the coast. Just a little
Aba,
further.
pakabait ka naman, Lay. Black Saturdays, magpapasugal ka. Bakit ba?
Stay behind me.
Oh my god, Doy! Hoy, anong pangalan mo? Baril mo yan, Bili! Yan, very good. Bili, barilin mo yan, yan. Gay. Ito yung nahabol ako, Bili. Ayan, barilin mo yan. Ayan. Yan! Oh my god. Bili, barilin mo. Wala akong bala. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan nila. Si Yara saka si Lex. Halika na dito. Bili. Nasa island ata ako ng ano. Nasa island ata ako ng... Anong tawag doon?
Look alive!
Uy. Akala ko zombie ka. Sorry. Uy. Grabe tumutok, pre. Barilin nyo yan. Yan, go! 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 Go, go, go. Tipid ako ng bala.
Now what? Quite confident it's this way. Quite confident?
You don't have to follow us.
You want me to leave you two on here alone?
Let's just get out of here.
Lokbu. Talaga ba? Alam niyo, natutuwa ako dito sa The Last of Us. Kasi 'di ba? Dapat hindi tayo curious sa story ni Abby. Pero ngayon ako curious na ako eh. Nung una, 'di ba? Dapat galit tayo kay Abby. Dapat wala tayong pakialam sa kanya. Pero parang ngayon naiintindihan ko na si Abby kung bakit niya pinatay si Joel. Pero syempre, masakit pa din sa akin na namatay si Joel. Pero syempre, may reason naman pala si Abby kung bakit niya pinatay si Joel. 'Di ba? Pero kasi ang ganda ng katawan niya, ha?
I get you through and you open
Ano
that
ba,
gate, right?
Rapu?
We'll open it.
Come on.
Imagine, pag-akyat nilang dalawa, iniiwan na nila si Abby, no? Imagine, iniiwan na nila si Abby dyan.
Ricky, Doc,
Imagine,
hurry up!
ay hindi. Wala, solo ko. Wala akong katulong. Ilan yan? Madami to ah. Hoy! Leb! Oh my! Ito clicker oh. Ito pagkain mo oh. Yan oh.
How's it going out there? I can't believe I trusted Scars.
Oh my god, iniwan na ba ako? Iniwan na ata ako.
Scars!
Iniwan na ako. Iniwan na ako nila Lex, pre. Goodbye. Sabi ko na eh. Iiwan ako nun eh. Ito na lang. Ay, patay na pala, sorry. Saan ako dadaan? Manny Pacquiao, pre. Ikaw, bawal ka Manny Pacquiao eh. Sugi. Sugi, pre. Saan ako dadaan? Trap ako dito, pre. Oh my god! Ay! 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 Ate ko! Ate ko! Ate ko! Ate ko! Ate ko! Gano'n kayo kadami dyan? Ate ko naman. Ate ko, hello! Ito bomba! Oh my god, dalawa! Hii! Huwag ka na sumingit dyan, hindi ka kasha. sila, Lev. Halat. Tinulungan mo pa ako? Oh my God. Naawa pa sila, Lev, sa akin. Okay, hindi ako iniwan nila, Lev. Thank you, Lord. Amen.
More of them.
Just give me a minute. You're gonna hold on tight. Okay.
Oh my God. Lex ba? Hindi ba Lev? Lev ba? Ano ba talaga?
I know.
Lumabas lang sa bibig ko yung
Steady
Lev eh.
breathing. In and out. Nice and steady. In and out.
Lev ba?
Try the doors. Make sure there are no infected.
Won't open.
Try the other ones.
Oh my God, kawawa ka naman. Anong pangalan na ito?
Any luck?
Baby! Kawawa ang baby. Kawawa ang baby. Oh, kawawa naman yan. Masakit
Let's get
ang
inside before
baan.
someone
Masakit
sees.
ang kamay ng baby na yan. Oh, kawawa naman. Oli ka na dito. Dito na higa na tayo. Oy, naantok na yan eh. Naantok na yan eh. O, di ka na dito. Higa ka na dito. Higa ka na dito. Kawawa naman yan. Naantok na yan. O, swimming kasi ng swimming. Ayan o, tulog ka na. Mamaya ka na mag-swimming ha.
Come help me with this.
Oh my God, nakakatakot yung kamay niya.
Just needs to be set. Okay. You know how to do that?
Cut that into strips. Lean back.
Okay.
Pre, pulang-pula yung kamay niya oh. Durug-durug yung buto sa loob niyan. Oh my God.
You ready?
Ow!
What's your name?
Abby. Thanks for cutting me down.
Iiwan niya na.
This area gets a lot of traffic. Whatever shape she's in, we need to get out of here by tomorrow.
We'll be fine.
Lev nga. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Lev, and ano ulit pangalan niya? Sarah? Ay, Sarah, patay na pala yun. Basta yung isa, salamat kasi tinulungan nila si Abby.
Owen.
Yara pala, Yara. Ginawa ko yan dati, 2 years kasi akong... Masarap sa pakiramdam yun, hindi mo masakit yun. Thank you. Thank you sa kanilang dalawa. Kasi kung wala silang dalawa, patay na si Abby. Like, yeah. Natulungan nila ng sobra si Abby.
Aquarium's right here. Let's do it.
Ano nangyari? Paano ko ba i-explain? Ang daming nangyari. Hindi ko kaya i-explain eh. Hindi ko kaya i-explain yung nangyari. Hindi ko kaya i-explain legit. Ang dami nangyari. Rapsa, tapos after mo gawa tuwid sa X-ray. Rewatch mo na lang. Sige, masyado na dami nangyari. Sobra. Dok, anuhin mo nga yung likod ko. Like, i-crack mo, i-ganon mo. Yung ganon. Kaya mo ba yun, Dok? Ang sakit kaya ng likod ko. Parang gusto ko ipaganon. Anong tawag doon? Ganon din yun, di ba? Yung magpapakrak ng likod. Grabe yung sakit ng likod ko recently. Chiropractor. Ah, okay. Iba na yun. Against kayo? Bakit? Ay, teka, may iba pa pala akong baril. Hala ka! Ang dami kong ginamit na bala doon. Tignan nyo, may isa akong baril. Yung isa kong... Hindi ko man lang ginamit to. Hindi ko man lang ginamit kahit isang beses to. Hindi ko man... I mean, nagpapanik na ako kanina, so yeah. Not advisable. Ng kalat nila. Nag-aayos ng mga basag spine. And para... Oh. Ha? So, ibig sabihin, naglilinis kayo ng patay. Kasi basag na yung spine saka paralyzed.
Damn it.
Sorry. Akala ko nag-practice sila sa ano eh. Sa totoong tao eh. Tapos nabasag yung spine. Testing nga natin to. Ay hindi, mag-ano tayo, stealth. Hindi na siya practice, like business ng chiropractor. Ah, okay. Wait. Ay, stalker ka pala, kaya pala hindi kita makita. Oh my god. Joke lang. I'm dead! I'm dead! I'm real dead! I'm dead, friend. Ang dami. Ganun pala yon, hindi nila makokontrol yung mga ganun nila. Hindi ko alam yan ah. Wag na pala, joke lang. Ayoko na pala magpaganon. Yung stalker kasi hindi kita ng ano side. Eto oh, hindi sila kita eh. Wait, paano ko anuhin yun? Teka nga, restart. Ginanon kasi. May stalker kasi, ang hirap ng stalker. Yung stalker lumalapit sa akin. Oo. You know what? Mga Reset kayo, takbuhan ko kayo. Wala, saan ako tatakbo? Ba't hindi tinamaan sa payon? Oh my God, kaadi ka! Patay ka na naman! Ang dami mong... Ilan beses na muntik mamatay to si Abby, pre? Oh my God, wala na akong bala. Ayaw ba mag-swimming ng mga infected? Hindi ata. Hindi ko pa nakikita na nagsiswimming yung infected eh. So, hindi ata. O, talon ka nga dyan, Abby. Ay, wait, tatalon talaga ako dito? Wala akong ibang daanan. Ayun to. Swimming talaga? Legit? Oh my God. Sira ulo, nag-swimming sa ganito. Oh. Napatay na ni Abby yung sarili niya.
That current's rough.
Sorry sa mga mapupuyat ko, pero matagal po ako mag-i-stream ngayon. Pasensya po.
And they're asleep. Fuck.
Wait, asan na yung bow ko? Asan yung bow? Give me the bow, bro. Give me, bro. Okay lang, ganito gawin nyo. Mag-i-stream ako ng mahaba ngayon. Tapos, manood na lang kayo ng VOD. Kasi wala naman ako i-stream ng Monday eh. Si Kuya Pat yun eh. Si Kuya Pat may stream ng Monday eh. Tuesday ko na uli itutuloy to.
Okay.
Wala. Graduation namin Tuesday. Busy ako tomorrow.
Did you kill all of
Ay, crossbow! Ay, grabe ba? Congratulations! Tapos makikita namin naka-live ka. Hindi. DC ako bukas. Testing nga. Kung malakas. Oh my God, diretso. Ganun yung bala na ito, pre ah. Isa pa nga. Kalbo.
Alright.
Okay, pagka headshot, bumabalik yung arrow. So, yeah. Cards out na namin mamaya. Good luck. Sana hindi ka baksak. I mean, ganun na din. Ganun na din, parang mali yung wordings ko dun pero sige. Nantok na ako, tulugan ko na yung stream mo. Wag. Wag, pre, wag. Wag, pre, wag. Oh, sugal, oh. Oh, wag ka muna matulog, magsusugal kami mamaya. Eme lang. Ito naman si OK Game, oh. Eme lang. The Last of Us tayo ngayon. Eme lang. Post ako, send ko Gcash. Ano eh? Totoong pera na, pre. Paano ko papatayin tong clicker na to? Yeah, when she ha, she. Oh, rinig ako nun. Ang duga mo naman. Wala akong bala, pre. Ba't walang bala yung pinuputok ko? Wala ko shield. Ito shield, oh. Ganun lang pala ubusin yan. Ano to? Isang bala lang to? Isang bala ka lang. Ba't ako narinig nung ano, nung clicker? Naka-crouch naman ako. Duga ah. May pagkamaduga tong game na to ah. Okay, where should I go? Here? Saan ba ako pupunta? Naligaw na ako. Ito dito? Katulad mo, madaya ako. Paano ako naging madaya? Buong gameplay ko naka-controller ako. Madaya pa ako. O, swimming ka na naman, Abby. Legit ba? Saan ba punta mo, Abby? Nalilito na ako eh.
Is this whole damn boat infested?
Gusto nyo mag-handcam pa ako ng ano eh, ng controller. Okay, hulaan uli natin to. Wala, ba't di ko marinig? Wait. Tama yung 90. Wait. 90 tapos 1. Hoy, sabihan nyo nga ako kung narinig nyo. Gara nyo kasi, nanggugulo pa kayo eh. Ayun, 77 plus 1. Ang gulo-gulo naman. Tignan nyo yung chat. 76, 88, 77, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 95. Diyos ko po. Ano yun? Anong upgrade na naman yun? Crap. Shells. Crap. Hala, umaapoy na umaapoy na shotgun. Hello? Parang di ko kailangan nun ah. Improve, ito na lang. Sige na nga. Upgrade na natin. Anong malapit na? Malapit na ako. Malapit na ako. Ashisha.
Goddamn shambler, too.
Oh my gulay.
That it? Yeah, that's it.
Wait, ano ba to? Try nga natin yung shotgun shells. Ang bagal mag-craft ni Abby, pre. Walang kwenta ka mag-craft, Abby. Mabagal. May rifle nga pala ako, no? Ano ba yung malapit na? Mamamatay na ba si Abby? Seattle day 1 pa lang naman ako, ah. Hindi man,
Let's try
basta
this again.
secret. Okay. Nanan. Namumukadkad pag hinimasimas. Wala akong sinabi ah.
Owen? Owen? Owen, come on!
He's gotta be in the back somewhere.
Ano ba yan, Rapu? Nakikurious na ako. Asan na ba yun? Asan na ba to si Owen? Shiwasya sa basa pa. Sarado din.
Hello?
Maybe?
Ano to, puzzle? Ano to, puzzle, pre? Ay, wait. That makes sense. Ba, doon ko siya hagis. May saksakan dito, no? Oh, asan saksakan? Aakyat ako.
What should I do for you? Swear to God, if you give me shit about this glass. Okay. Okay, your pack's here. Is that blood?
Hey, Owen?
Owen, where are you?
Owen!
God damn it.
Saan yun, ate ko? Mag-isa lang si Owen dito. Holy. Owen. Nandun siya sa bangka. Pre. Owen.
Owen?
Nandito nga si Owen. Nagtatampo. Tampo ka na, Owen.
Fucking cruel.
Argument ba to? Argument ba to,
I would send
Rapu?
you after me.
He didn't.
Ah, laplapan. Baka nga.
What is all this?
Gotta take her apart if I'm gonna fix her back up.
I see.
Want some?
Pass.
Suit yourself.
Ay, sorry. Sorry. Binasa ko lang yung
Danny's
chat mo.
dead.
Chat mo kasi yun.
figured.
You want to tell me what happened?
We were cleaning out a small camp. It's just a couple scars, and hit this one on the head hard. And he goes down, and his weapon's right there. And he doesn't go for it. Instead, he turns to me. And he's old and tired. He was just ready. I've killed a lot of scars. And, this fucking guy. I couldn't do it. Of course, Danny gets in my fucking face about it. I told him I'm done. He can do it himself if he wants.
Oh my God, Ras! Hello!
Fucking gun at me. So I grab it, and then
Hi, Ras.
first I didn't even know which one of us was
Thank you
shot.
for the 30 bits, though.
You defended yourself.
Stop.
I can fix this. I'll talk to Isaac.
I am tired, Abby. I don't want to fight over land that I don't give a fuck about anymore. I'm going to Santa Barbara.
To chase a rumor.
I've heard it more than once.
The Fireflies aren't regrouping. They're gone.
It's a lead. I gotta see it through.
Did Ellie die yet? No. She's alive. Almost dead, though.
What about Mel?
She'll be safe here.
Okay.
Damn, I remember
Talk in the
that.
morning,
Bro,
you're
you
so
haven't
dumb.
even played the
What?
game.
Treat me like I'm
What do
fucking
you mean?
insane. You feel the same way.
If the Fireflies are in Santa Barbara, I go the opposite fucking direction.
Watch PewDiePie play? Oh.
What?
Nothing.
Sorry I grew up. You should try it.
Oh yeah, how do I do that, Abby? Should I go find the people that killed my family? Cut into them? I could torture them until they're crying, you know?
Oh, yan na nga. Ito pala yung naantay ni Rapo, nagsusuntukan.
Abby.
Don't tell me. Don't tell me yung may... Oh my... Oh my God, makakita ko ng opay! Ay! Bawal sa akin yan! Oh my... Gulay! Bro! Broski! 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 Ba't nandito na naman ako? Broski? Wait, nandito na naman ako yung pinatay ni Joel, yung tatay ni Abby. Oh no, wait. Iba na. Hala! Oh my God, nanaginip lang siya. Oh, tapos na kayo? Tapos na? Tama na yan. Pagod.
Those fucking kids.
Seattle Day 2. Okay, Day 2 na tayo. 3 araw lang naman to eh. Mabilis na to. 2 araw na lang. Ay wait, babalikan niya sila Lev. Oh, binalikan niya nga sila Lev.
Shit. We need to get them out of there before it's too late.
Okay, tapos na. Tapos na, CJ.
What the hell?
Naging 18 yung viewers ko. Yun lang yun nangyari ah.
Stars.
Napaghahalataan yung community ko ah. Napaghahalataan kayo ah. Naging 18 kayo dito bigla ah.
I'm not falling. Okay.
Oo, okay, babalikan ko yung sila Lev. Tutulungan ko sila Lev. I will help Lev. Eto, binabalikan ko sila oh.
At least I know he's alive. What about their mother? She's talking well. Some children are born cursed.
Oh my gulay. Papatay pa ba ako or daanan ko na lang sila? Parang di ko naman ata kailangan patayin. Ilabas na ng detail. Grabe naman yun, wag yun. Magtawag pa rin.
You're nothing.
Let her go! Helen, don't let her escape!
Oh my God, live. Walang tutok, Lods. Oh my God, Abby, pre. Mabubugbog ka, pre. Ba't ba isa lang bala na ito? Ito, shotgun.
Hurry, she's out!
Molotov kayo, pre. Ay, nako po. Nanggaling sa... Hindi siya makalakad. Ano ba, Rapo? What do you mean?
Fucking hell.
Visit to si Rapo. Di daw makalakad. Hello? Okay. Okay, what now, bro? Wait, saan ba ako dumaan nun? Dito, no? Bumalik ako sa working bench na to. Wow. Scope? Ay, wait! Pang one tap pala siya, pre. I get it now. Ah, pang one tap yung barrel na yon. Hindi siya pang ano. Hindi siya pang close range. Ginagawa ko kasi pang close range eh. Pwede ko siya lagyan ng scope oh. Pero worth it ba scope na ito? Worth it kaya to? Sige na. Ginagamit ko kasi siya pang close range. Okay, medyo worth it naman. Worth it to, worth it.
I hope they're still
What
there.
now? Okay, asa na yung mga bata ko, friend? Where's my bata, bro? Oh my god, pinatay na nila Lev.
Shit. Kid? You still there?
Pinatay na nila Lev.
Don't
Lev!
come any closer.
It's me.
Lev! Wag!
Sorry. How's she doing?
Oh no! Grabe na yung kamay niya, pre. Naglalag ako? Naglalag ba?
Move your arms. Lean into me.
Where are you taking her?
Come on.
What are you doing?
I'm giving her a chance.
I'm giving her a chance. Wait, saan dadalhin ni Abby yun? Sa kanila? I-revive nila si... Ay, oo nga, sa kanila nga.
Owen! Hey, Owen, wake up!
I'm here.
Those scars?
I need whatever medical supplies you have.
Op, 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 op.
Get down!
Op, 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 op.
Alice, stop!
Alex!
Ito si Mel! Si Mel marunong mag-ano,
Lev, lower the
marunong mag...
It's okay.
Doktor.
Abby, who are these kids? They saved my life. Can you take a look at her? Stay, Alice. This is Yara. What did this? A hammer. It wasn't me.
It wasn't me. Ayun agad yung sinabi niya.
We're done.
It wasn't me.
Can you feel this? Yara.
No.
I was gonna clean it and try
The
resetting.
bone's shattered. She has compartment syndrome.
Ano yung compartment
What does that mean?
syndrome?
It means it has to come off.
She's a soldier. You can't take her arm. We leave it, it'll turn gangrenous.
Just make it stop hurting. Please.
What do you need?
Ideally, a saw, sutures, clamps, antibiotics. But we're far from ideal right now.
We have knives, fire. Cut and cauterize it.
She would die from infection. Make me a list. I'll go to the hospital. I'll get
It'll
whatever
take
you
you
need.
all day to get there.
I don't mind.
It's not about you, Abby. She doesn't have a couple of days. What if I can get you there in 2 hours? The Wolf Hospital, right? On the west side?
How?
We built bridges high up. It's how we get around the flooding and you people.
Can't you handle 2 hours?
Probably, yeah.
So make the list.
Wait, are you serious? These bridges are used by scars.
They only send in small groups at a time.
You heard that? Small groups.
This isn't a joke.
Love?
May she guide you.
May she protect you.
Abby. Abby. Hey,
What?
will you steal my keys?
Sorry.
Can I talk to you?
Talk?
Why are you doing this? Look, she just showed up.
Okay.
I don't think she knows about last night.
I don't care about last night.
Oh.
Well, I do.
Oh.
Which one?
Hope you know what you're doing.
Anong pakialam ko?
Your friends are wolves too?
Yeah. We were lucky Mel was there. She's one of the best surgeons in Seattle.
Mel. And what's his name? The man?
Owen.
Mel. Owen.
Abby.
And the dog's Alice.
I don't like dogs.
Ay, wait!
How do we
Wait.
get to the really tall buildings? The bridge is there.
Nakita ko
How the
din
head
yun!
gets out toward downtown.
Oh my god, nakita ko din
Really
yun
tall buildings.
yung hinihigaan ni Lev ngayon.
You gonna be able to get us the rest
I
of the
know
way?
ni... Oh my
It
god,
starts
ano
at the
naman
edge of the
pangalan
rushing
nun?
water.
Ba't ba nakakalimutan ko pangalan
Get
nun?
us
Ito
there,
pala si
then
Lev
to
yung
the
kasama ko.
These bridges are really
Si
gonna get
Yara.
us over the rapids?
Di ba nung day 3 tayo sa Seattle ni
All of them?
Ellie?
Yes.
In
Di ba
just a
may
couple
nakita
hours?
tayong parang
I'm not lying.
dugo-dugo doon
Okay.
sa higaan na yon? Ayun pala yun. Sabi ko, di ba, ano na to? May inoperahan dito. Ayun pala yun, si Yara pala yun.
Wolf, there it is. That's the building we need to get to.
Grabe.
Okay,
Ang
I see it.
taas.
What happens if we can't get the stuff with remnants?
She'll have to try to do the surgery with what Owen has around. Keep out of the water. These rapids will rip you away.
I know.
You know how to swim, right?
Yeah, but I'm not gonna fall in.
I like that confidence.
Well,
See if we can get
well.
to the top of this building. You've been to these sky bridges before, right?
Yeah,
You think we're gonna see a lot of scars?
Seraphites. I don't know.
Magkaiba yung Seraphite
okay if
saka
It
Scars.
was yesterday.
Yeah, but those guys were hunting you.
They're all hunting us.
Even the night, the crazy. Ah, siya. Nandaanan.
Watch the glass.
Hindi ko na talaga matatapos. Good night. 3 hours lang tulog mo. Pasensya. Pasensya po. O, saan ako dadaan dito ngayon?
Oh, fuck. Getting closer to your tall building. We're gonna have to do a little zigzagging. How long have you two been on the run for?
2 days.
Where were you headed?
I don't know. Just away.
So you're gonna tell me the real reason why they're after you now?
I did.
They want to kill a little boy because he shaved his head.
I wasn't allowed. It's a rule.
Ah,
Broke
okay.
it.
Jeez. So why'd you do it?
Bawal siya magpakalbo nga ngayon. Gusto siya patayin kasi kalbo siya.
Pretty
Oh my god, mga kalbo racist mga tao
I get the
dito ah.
impression you don't follow most rules.
Oh, I guess so.
Oy, eto na naman. Rapo nga! Oh. Wag ka! Nakikita ko yung nakikita ko yung chat mo sa gilid, nadidistract ako. Identify your counter and destroy. Ano na naman yan? Ah, faster crafting. Okay, let me get that. Napakasakit, Kuya Eddie. Wait lang. Mache-check lang ako sa gabit. Napakasakit, Kuya Eddie. sa buhay ko ay nandirito. Napakasakit, Kuya Eddie. Ang pangit mo pala. Wow! Hello? Gumaganon? Gumaganon? Kakapasok lang ng stream ko, tas pa... Warning ah. Ako magsisimula na ako mag-ban dito eh. Konti na lang magbaban na ako sa inyo eh. Tapos sabay lurk. Kagaling nyo din eh, no? Kagaling nyo ah. Sabay magla-lurk kayo. Ikaw ban mo. Paano kita ibaban? Isa kang... Oh my kulay. Isa kang moderator. No. No. Nung unmod. Unmod mo mukha mo. Bantayan mo yung stream ko. Napakasakit, Kuya Eddie. Sa buhay ko'y rito. Napakasakit. Hala ka. Joke lang. Madami pala to. Oh my god, that's so many, bro. Mali pala yung kinraft ko. Dapat pala explosive. Isa-isayin natin to. Oh my gulay. Oh my god, pre! Hoy, Leb, mantik na kitang mabaril. Holy moly, bro. But that happens.
You okay?
Yes.
Rapunzel.
How many seraphites have you killed?
Why?
Curious.
I don't know.
Wala na tuloy akong ano. Ba't ba pinapa-shut up mo ko? All I want is to sing. Masama ba kumanta? Ikaw, oo, wow ah. Pahinging shotgun ammo.
God damn it.
Ano to?
I don't know.
Isn't he a wolf?
There are thousands of us.
Siguro ano to,
Do you know
yung...
every scar?
ano ba yung meme na yun? Yung
Sure.
inutusan siya ng nanay niya, tas paulit-ulit yung sinasabi niya, yung paminta, suka, asin, Marlboro. Ano ba yun? Ano ba yung sinabi na yun? Basta yun, tapos bukas babayadan. Nakalimutan ko kung ano yung mga bibilin niya nun eh, pero paulit-ulit yung sinasabi yun eh. Sibuyas, bawang, toyo, fortune puti, bukas babayadan. Tas namatay lang siya na ganun.
This where we're supposed to be?
Yeah. This building will take us to the building next door.
Wala bang loot dito? Do we have loot here? Be right back, mga 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, tapos ko na yung game. Ganun ako kabilis. Should I craft this? Or... ito na lang. Para may bala ako. Ay, Ate Lala. Ganun kabilis na ano. Basta yun, yung ano. I don't have utang na sa'yo, Ate Lala. I pay already, ha? I value our friendship. I bayad na utang. I love our friendship, so I pay utang, okay?
What the fuck?
Oh my God, how I do that?
You know I can't do that, right?
I go here, bro. I go here.
I had a cousin who was afraid of heights.
Good for your cousin.
Kendrick, di makatulog. Kendrick, di makatulog. Kendrick not paid. Oh my God. Kendrick, you not pay 100 pesos, ha?
Follow me.
How much higher are we going?
It'll be okay.
It's a lot, isn't it?
Yes.
Show off.
I don't go there, bro.
Uh-huh.
What this?
This way.
How do we
You
not
on
find
Discord?
these?
Wolves never look up.
What does that mean?
If I go Discord, you
No
don't
matter how many people
you
with
don't
guns you
maingay.
have, we'll find a way around it.
You like
Maybe you should
maingay eh.
start saying we,
My stream will
since
not
they're
be
trying to
family
kill you.
friendly anymore. Dum. Lala, okay. Lala, you go Kendrick Discord. He cannot sleep.
The apostate!
Oh no!
It's Lily!
Your name Lily, bro? I thought your name Leb. Dum.
Get us dead away, Lily!
I thought you say your name Leb. Why they call you Lily, ha? Oh my god, I cannot see, bro.
On your left!
Let go, coward! Filthy boy! Damn it!
You okay?
That's all of them. Very basic. Lining keyboard or nagaluto? Oh my god. Oh, nagaluto. Okay. My bad.
Did
Nagaluto,
hear what
pancit
they called
canton.
me?
Yeah.
Do you want to ask me about it?
Do you want me to ask you about it?
No.
Okay.
Okay, I go here, bro. Oh, you see one tap, oh. Okay. Lotion at tissue pang linis ng keyboard. Oh my god. Mag-medkit na lang ba ako? Medkit na lang. Tapos na luto. Tapos na magluto. Okay. Luto is done.
Whoa.
Ah, ito yon. Hello, ate ko. Hello, ate ko.
Scars built all this?
Seraphites.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. It's pretty cool.
What's cool?
Like, impressive. Awesome.
Impressive.
Protect.
Awesome. Ooh, crafting bench. Okay, anong ma-upgrade ko? Wala! Wala akong pwedeng i-upgrade. Thank you, Lord.
I'll go first this time.
Oh my god, apakataas na. Holy. Sobrang taas na, pre.
Seriously, how high up are we going?
May Seraphite na naman.
Condolences for your son.
Pre. Grabe yan, oh.
He's with our prophet now. He passed bravely. You should be proud. We are. Thank you. The elders have offered us your child. It is a great honor. Elizabeth is grateful. I'm just not sure she's ready yet. The elders know what's best. It will all be for the
On your
best.
right. It's an archer.
Yes.
patay yun.
It's the apostate! With a wolf!
Oh no! Pick. Lipat. Nasaan na to mga to? Hindi ko makita. Oh my.
Go! She's down.
What? No!
Ayaw maabot pre. Oh. Sorry ah. Sorry ah, I'm using a controller kasi.
Fuck these scars. Seraphites, whatever.
Yeah, fuck them.
Never heard a Seraphite cuss before.
That was my first time.
Wala na, ubos na. Ah, wala na pala. Okay, that happens. Tumatama naman, Lodi Cakes. Oh. Basag nga yung ulo na ito eh. Wala na naman akong gas. Hindi ko naman nagamit yung silencer ko. Tapos, I think
Where to now? Oh, let me guess. Up.
Yes.
I can like... Kili-kili ko may putok. Hello? I can like load this one. Parang hindi maganda yung crossbow. Hindi nakaka one hit. Or pang malapitan lang. Or kailangan ko i-upgrade.
Is that
Pre,
an elevator?
apakataas naman nito. Nakakatakot yung elevator nila, tumatabingi pre.
Can I give you some advice?
Oh my god.
Just think about the good parts too.
The good parts.
Yeah, like you run faster. You're more
Oh,
focused.
fuck.
You don't feel pain as much.
Oh my god.
Every bad feeling, your palms sweating, your heart racing, they're all signs you're actually strong. So when you feel afraid, you should think about how your body is getting ready for what's coming. Only when weak may I carry my true strength.
Sige na, tama na, natatakot na din ako eh. Tama ka na boy.
That's a prophet thing?
Yeah.
I thought you were anti-electricity and all that sinful old world stuff.
There are exceptions, especially for soldiers.
That's convenient.
Akala wala na pre.
Windy up here.
Mamoys na
What the
dito pre.
fuck is that?
That's the bridge.
Hindi ko alam paano kaasarin.
Follow me.
Fuck!
We'll go slow.
Safe well. Oh my god! Ayoko dito! Pre, malulula ako! No way! Pre, malulula ako!
People cross this regularly?
Yeah,
You're lying.
I'm not. I mean,
Pre,
it's not the most popular.
nalulula na ako ngayon legit. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Just try not to look down.
Pre, nagpa-vibrate yung controller ko! Huwag ka mag-vibrate! Stop vibrating! Tatalon ako! Ay, hindi, dito.
Shit.
Huwag ka mag-vibrate! Huwag ka mag-vibrate! Oh my god ko!
How you feeling?
Waiting on all that true strength.
Cold.
Cool.
What?
Never mind.
What's going on between you and your friend Owen?
Oh my god, Lev, now?
It seemed really awkward.
Just go!
Okay, basic. Basic lang pala yun eh. Basic. Basic lang, basic lang. Yun na yun, ayun na yun, ayun na yun nakakatakot na part.
Come on.
Yun na
Can we
pala
take a
yun.
minute and be impressed by me?
Yun na pala
Not
yun.
yet.
Why?
Not even scared.
Why?
You'll see.
Di ma-optimize yung stream.
Holy shit, Lev!
It's gonna be okay. Eyes on me.
Hala ka, meron pa isa pa. Anong di nakakalula? Eh, nalulula ka ako.
Fuck.
Oh my god, huwag kang mag-vibrate naman. Controller ka, don't you vibrate like that. Pre, nagpa-vibrate yung controller ka.
How are you not terrified of this?
Ganun ng brr,
Don't
brr,
put the
brr, brr.
prophet to me.
Heights never scared me.
What does?
The ocean, dogs.
Holy fuck.
Crouch, mag-crouch ka, sira ulo. Oh my god! Oh. Hala ka! Mas manipis yan ah!
Oh my god.
Almost there.
Hala!
Shit.
Hey, look.
Si Lev
you can see the
dire-diretso
hospital
lang
now.
pre!
Oh, fuck!
Tumatakbo
Oh,
pa si
fuck.
Lev oh!
Focus on me.
I can't do this, Lev. I can't do this.
Yes, you can.
I can't.
You're going to. Come on. True strength.
True strength. True strength.
Oh my god. Oh! Lumalamig yung hangin ng electric fan ko ah.
Okay, you're almost there. You can make it.
Oh my God. Abi! Sige, nababa ka na.
Careful. Okay. Fuck.
Almost there.
All right.
Abi, ayusin mo.